Okay, so you're going to need to get set up in My Biz Reviews and integrate your Google and Facebook profile so that we can pull through your positive reviews into the feed and be able to promote those on social media and on your website. So the way we're going to be able to do this is you will have, first of all, you will have received an email by now. If you did not get this email, you need to let me know so we can resend it or check your spam or figure out what happened to it. So in that email, it's going to give you your temporary password. So you're going to want to go to your email that you would have received. You're going to want to copy that password, and then you're going to go to log in. And the first time you go to do it, so you're going to put in the email address that it was sent to. You're going to paste that password. You're going to then log in. And then once you're logged in, you're going to go to Settings, Account, and then you're going to put in your new password. And if I've got your name wrong here, which I messed up my own name, you might as well go ahead and fix that. And then you're going to put in a new password, something that you can remember. And you know what? I'm going to do something. I'm going to put demo, DEMO, 1, 2, 3, 4, exclamation, 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 DEMO, 1, 2, 3, 4, exclamation, exclamation, exclamation. You're going to save that password. And so then the next time that you log in, you'll be able to use the password that you set up for yourself. Now, once you're in here, I need you to go to Integrations, and you can see how it says Integrate here. So when you go to click Integrate with Google, in fact, I'll delete it so that you can see a correct walkthrough. And I'll do the same thing with Facebook. I'll go ahead and delete the Facebook connection. Okay, so what you're going to do is when you're in here, you're going to go to Google, you're going to click Integrate, and what you want to do is you want to click Log in with Google. You're going to get a pop-up. Make sure that if you have more than one account showing here, you choose the one that is connected to your Google business profile. Okay, and it's going to ask you if you want to continue. It's going to say, "You sure you trust us?" And you're going to say, "Yep, you trust us." And then if you do have more than one businesses, like I obviously do because I manage multiple different companies, if you do have more than one business, you're going to find the one that you are connecting that I'm managing for you, and you're going to click Integrate Google. And then after a short while, you'll see that it's integrated because it'll say Edit. That means the integration is complete. Sometimes you get a pop-up that say Integration Complete, but as long as you see Edit, it means you're in there like swimwear. And you can also, if you want to add any of these other ones that are in here, you just click on the button, follow the instructions to integrate. But for my purposes, most of my customers are going with Google and Facebook. So then we're going to click Log in with Facebook, and we're going to allow it to continue to the profile. And of course mine says reconnect, but yours will just say connect if it's the first time you've ever done it. And then again, if you have more than one Google Facebook page, you're going to pick the Facebook page that you are trying to allow me to manage for you. You'll click Integrate Facebook, and you can see there it says Successful Integration in the top right, and it says Edit, so you're done. That's all there is to it.